This is Jonathan Landrum with Landworks Landscapes, previewing another project. We're partnering with CoxJones and Culinary Cafe. We will be installing a culvert and retaining wall section through here to connect this sidewalk from one of the parking lots at SFA here on East Austin. CoxJones will be pouring the sidewalk. We'll be doing the culvert and the retaining wall over there. This will connect the parking area to the building. We'll come back when the sidewalk is poured and bring in some dirt inside along the edges of the new sidewalk here. The sidewalk cut through an old brick driveway here. We will be coming in and cutting back and replacing the bricks along the edge of the sidewalk here as this cuts through the circle drive up to the building. The sidewalk is going to be a little higher than the brick. We're going to have to pull back a foot or so of the brick and get a slope up there so we don't have a trip fall hazard on the sidewalk.